Hey, time for second mass ecosystem review by Chris Mosh and Jay Cruz. If you want to discover why people are abandoning e-commerce and started dropshipping service instead for 90% profit, then you want to learn more about as ecosystem training. This is the fastest and easiest way to create a passive, scalable online income stream that you have never had before, come across before. It's a new system that teaches you a new business model to create a sustainable six-figure online business. What is the ASIGO system? It is a step-by-step training that teaches you how to build a passive, scalable dropshipping services by cloning the proven system to generate as much as 2K per day. It does not require Amazon, Facebook, overseas supply, or high-risk inventory orders. The training contains a complete framework, powerful tools, coaching that can enable rapid success. The basic concept behind the system is to help people to build their own 100K per year business through the automated e-services store. What makes the ASIGO system model different from other businesses is the level of automation and ease of implementation. The who behind the ASIGO system training? Chris Mosh and Jay Cruz. Chris Mosh is a digital marketer and a successful entrepreneur. He is a founder of popular press release distribution company, Presscable, automated software amplifier, and the popular video platform Moz Eyes. Jay Cruz is an entrepreneur and a co-founder of the Presscable and the amplifier. He is a successful marketer and with a wealth of experience. Both Chris and Jay have launched successful online training program with outstanding results and 95% positive rating. They put joints together to release this amazing training, the ASIGO system. Who is this system for? Or the training for? If you are brand new to online business and you are looking for a simple and proven way to earn a consistent, scalable income online, you've got some online business experience, but you haven't got the results you are hoping for, and you are tired of all the hyper and false promises. Then if you already have a successful online business and you are looking to create an additional income stream so you can take your profit to the next level, then with the ASIGO system, you get the financial freedom you have always wanted, the location freedom to work from whatever you want, and the time freedom to set your schedule. Are you ready to build a passive, scalable dropshipping services? Then ready to clone the ASIGO proven system that can generate 100K per year by just dropshipping services without Amazon, Facebook, overseas suppliers, or high-risk inventory orders. There are the 4 pillars of the ASIGO system: training, software, sales tools, and coaching. This is a complete business in a box. Everything either automated using the proprietary software or done for you by the in-house ASIGO team, and you get all the experience, expertise, and the infrastructure. How does system work? The system works just in 6 steps. The step 1 is you get a client, then 2 you get paid up front, then 3 you pass the work to the ASIGO expert. Then they do all the work on your behalf. Then step 5 you pass the work back to you and you pass it back to your client. Then 6 you pocket the profit. So what is this ASIGO system price? The ASIGO system price The ASIGO system price is $2,997 for training, software, tools, and support. At this price, not everybody can afford the cost, but there is an installment payment which will be around $997 for a 4-month payment. You only need to generate 3 shares to cover your expenses. At $2,997, you will get a proven system to launch, build, and scale up your business. Give you the ability to generate income on demand, so you never have to worry about money. Help you to make just 2 recurring service sales and hit a 24K per year profit run rate. Now, what are you getting from this training? The ASIGO system program, white label rights program, e-service store, the ice ticket sales seekers, the engagement engine, the fulfillment center, and more. The ASIGO system is designed to take someone from 0 to 100K a year with no product, no website, no paid traffic, no audience, no experience, no skills required. The ASIGO system finally gives you a proven system to launch, build, and scale your business. So what are you all that get generally here? You get an ecosystem program with all the bonuses that's worth 102k value. Then what is the date? The date, the launch started on 23 July, while the card opened on July 28th, and on the August 6th, the card closed. So in case if you are interested in training, so make sure you click the link below to register for the webinar and discover the rest of e-services and the clonable 100k dropshipping store. You can immediately deploy to start profit from the next huge mega training. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click the link below to get access to the free webinar and training.